Hi guys, welcome to CSL Technology Plus. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download any video from YouTube into your computer. So let's get started. So once you play video on YouTube, you want to see a suggestion here saying that whether you want to download this video into your PC or not. So in order to do that, first you have to download and install the download manager, or we can call it in short IDM. Okay, so to do that, first you need to download the file into your PC and install it. But before you can download and install that, you have to close your Windows security, and then you go to the search bar on your window and then type setting. And it will show up at this window, and then you go to update and security, click on it, and then go to here, Windows security, click on it. So here you click virus treat or protection. Scroll down to manage setting, and here you have to turn all this off. Turn it off, turn it off. Okay, turn this off and also turn this off. Alright, now you turn all this off. Close it, close it. Okay, now let's go to download the file together. So you go to the Google and then type get into PC, enter. Okay, and then it'll bring you into this web. Click on here, the first link. Alright, and in the search bar here, I hope you can see it. In the search bar here, you type IDM, okay, and click on go. And then the IDM Internet Download Manager free download will pop up here. And then you click on it. Alright, and scroll down all the way, you go all the way down until you reach this page and see the word download full setup. Okay, and click on it. And it's processing right now. So after this stuff, you don't have to do anything, just wait for the process to be done. Okay, it pop up this way. Click save file. Now your file is being downloaded. Just wait for the download to be complete. Okay, now the download is complete. So you click on the arrow here and click to the file. Open the file, and it needs a password to enter. So you type 1 2 3, enter. Alright, now we get to it. Close it. Okay, and up to here you click the download manager. Okay, here we have the file. This is file you have to install, and this file for the crack. If you have already installed the download manager in your PC, and then you just have to crack it. But if you don't have both the installation of the IDM and the crack, you have to do the installation first. So you click here for the install. But before you can install that, I just want to remind you again, please turn off the Windows security and also the internet. Okay, so now I want to turn off to disconnect my internet. Okay, hit on disconnect. Alright, now I'm not access to internet anymore. So I click here. Alright, yes, next, and then accept, next, and then finish. Alright, so everything is pop up here. Just close it. Close it. No, so I don't want this to stuck. So don't worry about that, just click OK or close it. And up to here, still do not worry, close it. Alright, and then I minimize this, and you see now you have the Internet Download Manager here, Internet Download Manager. So now let's click on it. Go back to the file. Now it's time to crack it so that you can use it. Alright, so now let's crack it. Click on the crack file and then click this one, read me text. Alright, you click here and then it'll pop up this way, apply patch reg key, and then copy this, just copy it. Okay, copy it, close it, go back to the Internet Download Manager, click on it, the serial number, right? And then the name here, you can type any name, your first name, you can say your real name. For example, I type my name CSO and then technology. An email, you can type any email. I can type and the serial number, just paste it. Alright, click OK. Alright, good. Now go to it again and go to have, you go to about IDM. You see now it's full. Alright, now you have to patch it. Click on the patch file, click yes, and then click exit. Alright, and that's it. So again, go to the internet, connect to your internet again. In order that file to access to it, go back to YouTube and then IDM and first manager. Okay, this you enable it. Close it. So when you play the video, that's it. Alright, that's it. Okay, now once you play any video, it will pop up the button here to ask you whether you want to download this video into your PC or not. Yes, and that's it, and I hope it will help. If you find this useful, please click on thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.